So hello everyone, welcome back to Incremental Nova, and today we are going to see how you can save battery on your iPhones. So without wasting any more time, let's get straight to the video. First of all, you have to search research sensor and users data. You have to search it and disable this option as you can see on the screen, because this is beneficial for Apple, not for us. So you can save your battery by turning off this feature, and after that you can go on battery and search on battery health and optimized charging. You can turn this feature on. This will notice your charging pattern and this will help you to conserve battery as per your charging routine. For the next step, you have to search on analytics and improvement. If you will search this, you will find these settings. Please turn this off, because again this is beneficial for Apple, not for us. So this is not going to help us to improve anything about on our iPhone. This will help Apple to improve their phone. So for the next step, you have to go on settings and choose a dark theme. If you are a light theme user, then this is going to consume a lot of battery. Then I will highly recommend you. Most of them are you already using a dark theme, because personally, as per my experience, dark theme is compatible in all the environments situations. So I think dark theme is one of the best. After that, you have to go and search for reduce white point. You will find the setting. This will reduce the white light from your display, which consumes a lot of battery. So wherever the white lights comes, it will reduce. The higher the percentage, the more battery you are going to save. So make sure that, and you can customize this as per your need. So how compatible with you are with that setting, you can go for that. After that, you have to do nothing. Exactly, you have to do nothing. Please stop closing your recent application, which is going to consume a lot of battery, because at the end it will increase the load of your processor. So it is consuming a lot of RAM, because the processor have to again reopen this application. So if you are doing this, please stop this. And I will also suggest you to use a dark wallpaper. Again, the same concept as per the dark theme. The more darker area, the more battery you will consume. So I will also recommend this. And apart from this, you have seen a lot of application which runs in background or which consumes a lot of permissions. So if you are giving permission to any application, please read it before you are giving it, because that will also consume a lot of location services or any kind of services, and the background resources that consumes by the application. You can of course give permission to the necessary applications like WhatsApp or Instagram, because you can't refresh them again and again. So if there is any application which you generally don't use much, so you can select your permissions and background data usage or background refresh usage consumption as per your need and preferences. That will going to help you a lot. The next setting is for Wi-Fi, which is generally if you have a Wi-Fi open, then it will automatically going to search a lot of networks which consumes a lot of battery. So you can turn this off. So these were all tips and hacks for your iPhones to save battery, and I hope you will find this interesting and helpful. So if you find anything interesting about this video, do hit the like button and please subscribe to Incremental Nova for more such videos, and let me guys see you in the next one.